much for staying with us today as I wrap up my day. And I've got to wrap it up with food. I've got one of the best food people that I know, Catherine Cassidy. She's the editor-in-chief of A Taste of Home, and she's got a live demo for us. So, Catherine, welcome to the show.
Oh, thanks for having me, Valder.
Well, it's football season, and I just recently got in trouble, so I knew you were the perfect guest because I fix soup, and my husband told me that was not football food.
That's so funny.
So I knew you would have some ideas for us about tailgating and football. Tell me what you got to help me out.
I sure do. Well, these are all from our brand new book, Best Loved Recipes. Just hit the bookshelves last week, and I'm just so pleased about it. It's almost 1,500 recipes, the best recipes that we've ever done, all from home cooks, as you know. They send their recipes to us, we test them, and tailgate and celebrating is a very, very important part of what we do at Taste of Home. Our readers love it, and so I have some really good ideas. I think that your husband would probably approve of them. The first thing that I have is something called Sandwich for a Crowd. You know, at a tailgate, the hamburgers and hot dogs are you know, that's standard fare. This is something that you can make ahead of time and bring, and I guarantee you won't have any leftovers. We start with Italian bread and hollow it out so you've got like a tunnel. And then we have a wonderful cheese spread that is made with cheddar, cream cheese, a little bit of mayo, some scallions, Worcestershire sauce. We're going to spread that, just slather that on nice and thick. And then deli meat, any kind that you like. We have roast beef and ham here, but you know, whatever you're fancy, if you like turkey, if you like salami, you know, just pile that on. And then I put on a few dill pickles because that gives a nice piquant crunch. And we wrap that up in foil, chill it. Well, put the lid on first. Chill it in the refrigerator, and then you've got you have something that you can slice up, and I guarantee that people will just rave about it. If you have one of those grills, if you're at a tailgate, take that whole foil packet with that sandwich, throw it right on the grill, heat it up. Oh, it's even better that way.
Ooh, that's a great idea. I like to make my stuff ahead of time. That's a really good idea, Catherine.
You bet. I mean, and this is something that can sit in the fridge, you know, for like a day ahead of time. You can, you know, you can have that all done. Another recipe that I like, especially for, I mean, you could take this actually to a tailgate, but if you're tailgating around the living room television, these appetizer meatballs, boring name, really, really fabulous flavor. It starts with a meatball. The recipe has a homemade meatball, but you don't have to do that. You can use frozen meatballs right from the, you know, from your supermarket. 7 ingredients for the secret sauce that just makes these absolutely fabulous. I have my little football toothpick here, so you can eat it just like this. Or our stylist came up with this great idea, these meatball subs. And what a really fun, might need a few napkins, but I guarantee you that people will really be excited to bite into them.
Well, I'm excited because I didn't know they had frozen meatball. I'm an at-home cook. So
you bet. Chicken, turkey, even vegetarian meatballs if you want to do that. But the sauce is what makes it, and that's you'll find that in the book.
That's a great idea. And what else do you have? You have one more thing for us?
Well, I do. You know, I love bars. Bars they're very transportable. You know, you can cut them to the right size to make it work for your, you know, whatever crowd you're serving. But, you know, here we are at Taste of Home, and we have to have a little unique twist that makes it special. So these are our cookies and cream brownies. It's kind of like an Oreo in a bar. So there's some crushed cookies that are in the batter, a wonderful, sweet, creamy topping that goes on, and I mean, I've been standing next to these.
It makes you speechless.
Yes, they're really, really good, and you know, again, it's one of those things that easy to put in a container, bring to the parking lot of, you know, of your tailgate event, and I don't think you would have any leftovers of these either.
Is everything in the tailgating cookbook?
Well, all of these recipes are in our brand new book, Best Love Recipes. So if I'm piquing your interest, you can find it wherever books are sold, or we have a special website, bestlovedrecipes.com. And if you go there, you can order the book, and we will ship it to you for free, and we'll send you a free gift, too.
Well, Catherine Cassidy, you've made me hungry. I was doing fine till I talked to you, but I'm hungry
sorry.
now. That's a good thing. That's a really good. You know, people say they wish they had smell-o-vision. Well, they just need to listen to you. That's all that they need.
Well, I love to make people happy with food.
Well, Catherine Cassidy, as editor-in-chief of Taste of Home, you always do a fabulous job. Thanks for coming on the Valder Beebe Show.
Oh, well, thanks for having me, Valder. You take care.
And thanks for saving my football season. I maybe get my...
These are good ideas.
I got some good ideas. Thank you so much. Please come back, Catherine.
Oh, I will. Thank you.